Hey, welcome to our coffee break. Glad that you could make it. We'll have a couple of recovered carbon black topics. So the first one is still the news from last week of Birla's collaboration with Circtec on sustainable carbonaceous materials. How did they find this name? Normally in recovered carbon black we're trying to avoid carbonaceous materials. Well, never mind. I hope I can get Birla people on the LinkedIn Live so that we can talk about exactly what sustainable carbon materials are. Second topic, Birla Carbon got intermediate funding, 7.5 million, great news, which is a step towards their site in Camelot, chemical campus close to Maastricht. Very good news. The third topic, Scandinavian Enviro Systems have announced an engineering study for a known site where they want to recover half of Sweden's tires. So in my calculation that could be around about 45,000 metric tons of tires. That's a big site, bigger than the site they are going to build with Michelin in Chile. And last but not least, sign on to our Recovered Carbon Black workshop this Thursday at 1400 hours Central European Time. We'll discuss how we can get more recovered carbon black into tire applications and how the tire industry can better work with the recovered carbon black industry. So join us on Thursday. Thanks for joining me on this coffee break. See you soon. Bye-bye.